house for sale or for rent dito sa BF Homes na napakalapit lang sa Alabang Hills. Corner lot pa siya. Merong lot area na 274 square meters, may 2-car garage. Ang ganda ng facade, as in classic yung design ng bahay. May pocket garden, may double door, at nasa loob to ng safe, gated and flood-free subdivision. Ito na yung foyer. At ang laki ng kanilang living area. Fully air-conditioned pa. Kung i-rent mo to, kasama na yung gamit. As in, move-in ready na tong bahay na to. Ang laki din ng kanilang dining area. Tapos may ground floor bedroom. May sariling bathroom yan. Kaya kung looking to rent ka, makukonsider mo to. At reasonable din naman ang price ito kung sa sale. Yung price and details nasa description box below the video or nasa comment section. Panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines. Nasa second floor yung kanyang family area at 3 bedroom.